Ambivert means a person who has both introvert and extrovert qualities. An ambivert can enjoy being alone and also being with people. In simple words, ambivert equals sometimes quiet, sometimes social. Easy explanation, an ambivert likes to talk with people sometimes, likes to stay alone sometimes, feels comfortable in both situations. They can change behavior depending on the situation. Very easy examples with explanation. He is an ambivert. She is an ambivert at school. More simple example sentences. Most people are ambiverts. Ambiverts balance social life and privacy. I think I am an ambivert. Daily life examples. Ambiverts enjoy parties but also rest alone. Ambiverts talk when needed. Ambiverts adapt easily. Student sentence. I am an ambivert. Not too shy or too loud. Easy memory trick. Ambivert equals in between introvert and extrovert.